Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to verify an iCloud email address. The verification process differs slightly depending on whether you're verifying a new alias or addressing a pending account status or even looking for a login code. Okay, as you can see here, I just went through iCloud.com right here. I've entered my email address. Now it says verify your email address. So what you'll do basically is just hit on continue right here. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, a code will be sent to this email that is tied to your iCloud. So go ahead and grab that code from this email address, paste that in here. Once done, hit on continue. All right, and the code will look like this. So what you'll do basically is just double click on this code right here or copy it. Okay, paste that in here, hit on continue. Once that's done, you should be good to go. It says here your Apple account has been updated. Now, let's say you just set up your new alias. All right. So you should receive this exact email right here. So go ahead and check your emails and find the Apple emails. So as you can see here, I have this big verify button. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And then I'm going to follow the simple prompts. Okay. So go ahead and type down your password. Hit on the right arrow key. Hit on your phone. Hit on allow. Okay, and the code will be sent to you on your phone. Okay, so go ahead and type down that code in here. And then once done, wait for it to verify. And as you can see here, just go ahead and click on continue. And then once that's done, your email address is now verified, as you can see here. Now, if you want to do this one on your iPhone, so just go ahead over to your iCloud account right here, tap on it. And then as you can see here, we have a big verify email address button. So go ahead and tap on this option, follow the simple prompts. And then after that, as you can see here under our Apple account, we don't have the verify button anymore. And these applications right here are now available. Okay, and that's how simple it is to verify an iCloud email address. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.